Watch your step, the ground's slick.
There it is, the Boeing 707. Look at the state of this Boeing. Must have been here for decades.
The vines and moss have completely taken over.
Incredible. The wing's corroded, but the structure looks intact. Engines are completely seized. The fuselage is extensively corroded. Moisture has seeped in the rivets. The engines are in worse shape. Rust has compromised the casings. Look at this corrosion. It's been here for decades. I'll note the wing damage and faded markings. The corrosion is extensive. We need to clear the soil to get a better look. This Boeing 707's interior is in rough shape. Faded seats, dusted wear on the fuselage and around the windows. Cabin's a mess. Wonder if the cockpit's any better. Instruments look intact. Let's see. Control panels are heavily corroded. Readings are illegible. Switches are seized. Cockpit integrity is compromised. The fuselage is solid, but these seats are shot. Yeah, and the wiring is completely corroded.
But the frame looks intact.
The wing structure is heavily corroded. Look at the rivets, completely rusted out. The fuselage is surprisingly intact. Landing gear is seized, but no major breaches.
Engines are corroded but salvageable.
The vines are thick, but the fuselage is solid. Engines are a mess. We'll need heavy equipment. Agreed, we need a full survey. Okay, hold it steady. I'm at the wingtip. Got it, pulling now. 135.6, confirmed. Marking the nose section. Copy, side secure, tail marked. Perimeter complete, let's move. The main struts look compromised by rust and vines. I'll check the hydraulics.
Smells surprising damage assembly.
All right, tools are ready. Let's get this open. Wrench is here, ready on the engines. Panel's rusted, need the pry bar. All right, crane is go. Lift slow. Wings clear. Cables taut. Steady, steady. Good height. Hold. Easy now. Watch the left side. Strap tight. Lifting. Hold steady. Good lift. Let's start with the fuselage and engines. Roger, checking for corrosion on the skin. Copy, I'll look at the gear. Look at this crack here. It's deeper than the last one. Let's get a measurement on that engine mount. Hand me the wrench for this plate. Got it. Drill's ready for the next hole. This bolt is seized. I'll get it. Hold this steady. All right, pulling it now. Got it. All right, let's get this open. Careful, it might be stuck. Instruments are intact, just dusty. All right, let's get these panels cleaned up. Copy that, starting on the comms panel. Good, watch for corrosion. This bundle is completely fried. Let's get it out. Roger that, cutter's ready. First section clear, moving to the next. All right, routing the main bus harness now. Positive lead is secure, checking continuity. This yoke bolt is rusted tight. I'll get the panel, keep pressure. Got it, now for the linkage. Fuel pumps are responding. Hydraulics test initiated. Electricals are nominal. Look, the primary systems are live.
And the fuel indicators are stable.
Outstanding work, team. Look at this panel. Severe cracking. Definitely water damage too. Note it. Got it. This whole section needs replacing. Careful, this one's loose. Got it. Lowering now. Watch the debris. Clear. This bracket is loose. Hold the light steady. Got it. Beams on the joint. Good. One more turn. All right. Lift it higher. It's catching. Hold steady. Ready for the next one. Okay, hold it steady. I'm drilling the first one. Got it. It's aligned. Good. Next one. Okay, strip these ends first. Stripping now. Ready. Good. Twisting the positive. Holding it. Go. Pressure steady on the polish. Spray applied, wiping now. Good, keep the rhythm. This section is clear. Okay, pry this side first. Got the latch, ready. All right, pull it out. Careful, it's heavy. Sealing this window now for pressure safety. Roger, applying sealant to the next one. Looks solid. This one's tight. Last one. Copy. Almost done. Good. Let's check the others. All secure. Opening now. Watch the hinges. Copy that. Looks smooth. Closing. Confirm secure. Confirmed. Latch is solid. This section is looking good. Yeah, the shine is coming back. Keep it up. All right, releasing the handle. Copy. It's unlatched. Push it clear. Check the hinges. Looks good. This seal needs to go on tight. Got it. Pressing it down now. Good. Check the edges. This one's loose, ready to lift. Got it. On 3. Heave. Watch the aisle. Clear. Moving out. This one's corroded bad. Get the wrench. On it. Turning now. Good. Good. Check the next one. This one's seized tight. Try the breaker bar. Got it. Hand me the new one. All right, first coat on this frame. Copy that, moving to the next. This is looking even. Good. Next frame, go. Latching mechanism is solid. Confirm. Check the one to the right. On it. Focus on the markings. They need to be legible. Yes, almost done with this section. Good. Let's finish this up. Okay, let's open the covers. On 3. Look at the turbine section. Looks good. This rust is coming off clean. Yeah, keep at it. Looks better already. These turbine blades need to be perfect. Compressor parts are looking good. Almost done here. All right, slide it in steady. Got it. Feels aligned. Good. Torque it to spec. Locked in. Okay, loosening this fuel line. Copy. I'll tighten the hydraulic clamp. Good. Now the next section. All right, align the housing. It's in. Holding steady. Wrench ready. Good. Now secure it. All right, rotating clockwise. Check for binding. Feels smooth. One more full turn. All right, feed me the main control cable. Got it. Here you go. Locked in. Check the resistance. Panel 14A shows rivet wear. Got it. Checking the seam now. Upper fuselage clear. No issues. Keep it even. Don't gouge the metal. Got it. This old paint is tough. Almost there. Looking good. Start from the front. Work back. Pressure's good. Dust is flying. Keep the flow steady. Looks clean. This dent here needs filling first. Right. I'll hammer it out, then we sand it smooth. Keep it steady on that edge. Got it. Looks even now. Good. Let's get the next section. Coat this wing section evenly. On it. Tail's coming along. Good. Watch for drips. All right, team, let's run the full pre-flight. Avionics are booting up now. Hydraulics green. Ready for engines. Altimeter check complete. 3010 set. Roger. Head indicator line. VOR receivers are tuned. Signal is strong. Systems check complete. Ready for engine start. Roger. Panel is green. Clear to proceed. Engaging starters now. Stand by. Core temp is stable. N1 at 98%. EGT is rising. Throttle back. Agreed. Monitor vibration. We did it, team. This 707 is ready to soar again.
It's a dream come true.
Absolutely. Great work. The Boeing 707 jet airliner, a pioneer of the jet age. It transformed travel with its speed and reliability.